Tell me, Emmett, is the music too loud? Here, we'll turn that down a little bit. Okay. And post talk in general. That is how I will be able to answer questions, okay? Because you are currently unable to be heard. I know you cannot speak. That is so we don't get off track. And I'm recording it. Normally I just stream this, but I'm gonna post it on a YouTube channel. That way we have the answers if we're at school, and if we're confused, don't record it. It's okay. It's gonna be always available to us. So anyways, you're working on your English. Well, get to bio. We're working on bio first. We're probably not gonna get to English, simply because it is subjective to whatever. Yeah, we're just gonna get the notes done for bio, and I want to add a couple things to the notes that I think would be useful that are in the cellular energy packet. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'll let you grab your notes paper. Is the music too loud? Okay. Good. Okay. Give me 1 second. So, while we're answering this and over the unit, these are the questions, obviously, that we are going to want to summarize. Which we'll go back. I left plenty of space for mine, but obviously on yours, you just have to scribble. But so we just go down here. Energy storage. So, according to her notes, it is stored in the Oh, I don't like that. Oh, in my eraser. Of course it is. It's in the most inconvenient spot. Okay. Energy is stored in cells in the form of ATP. I can't say that. Triphosphate. I can say triphosphate. So we're gonna put that. And then ATP is like a fully charged battery. You can, yeah, go ahead. Oh, I hate that. Why is that inverted? Yep, okay. And then ADP, which is adenosine diphosphate, blah, blah, blah. It's like a partially charged battery. A good way to remember this isn't in her notes, but tri means 3, di means 2. So obviously ADP, ATP, you know, it's like, yeah, you know, 3 out of 3, 2 out of 3. Okay, you good? No, you're good. You're good? Question mark? So yes, you are now. I'm gonna assume that means. Okay. ATP can easily release and store energy by breaking and reforming bonds between its second and third phosphate groups. There we go. Okay. Thought there was more, but I misread. Oops. Landon, are you... I'm assuming you're also taking notes? I'm going to assume so. Yeah, chat in general. My bad, my bad. Okay. ATP energy is used for making proteins, responding to chemical signals, starting chemical reactions, and active transport. That is all good. We don't need to type anything there. Okay. Cells only store a small amount of ATP, which is ATP is not a good storage molecule. That's what we can get from that. All right. However, it it can be regenerated. Terrible writing. Regenerate from ADP very quickly. Okay. You know, let me set something real quick. That's a lot better. It's a lot smaller, but that works. We're gonna test it out. Okay. Photosynthesis. Okay. We got a lot to write here. Photo equals light. Oh, I am off today. Synthesis equals make. To make. It is very chill. I wanted to stream this on YouTube, but I have to wait 24 hours for it to get approved. Which is basically using light energy to make food. Yes. So she has other stuff in parentheses, but I'm just gonna put light energy to chemical energy. In food. Hang on, what song is this? Aerials, okay. Sorry, I got different music than you guys. Okay, so now autotrophs or producers capture energy of sunlight to make high energy carbs. Can't really tell my C's from E's right now. Sure. Okay, so sugars, starches, can be used as food. So it's like a solar panel. Solar panel for carbs. Solar panel makes carbs. Alright, B. That energy of sunlight is converted into chemical energy of ATP. And why does it do that? I hate that. And is stored. Oh no. In bonds of carbs. Okay. Oh no, I didn't even need to write that. Oops. Whoops. Is it the big one? What? There. What? Why is it not? Okay, I'll just use my mouse then. The plant cells with... one day I will buy a nice drawing tablet. Chloroplasts with... No. Plants with chloroplasts are equal to organelles where photosynthesis occurs. Alright, chloroplast with chlorophyll is equal to pigments that absorbs my bad the sun's energy. Okay. So these are listing chlorofluor. Not really clear, so chlorophyll A. 2 chlorophyll B. Three absorb blue, white, and red violet. Blue, violet, and red light. Oh my god. And then it reflects green, which is why plants look green. I need to turn up my... That's at max? Holy crap. That can't be at max. That is at max. Oh my god, my light's so... Okay, next, in the fall, temps drop and chlorophyll molecules break down first. Which leaves reds and orange showing. So, we're all good there. Don't type in German of it. What's up? This man has a question. No, not right now. We are working. If you'd like, I can turn it down. Okay, I was gonna say, I can turn it down if you want to turn on your own, but okay. Okay. Thylakoids are photosynthetic. Sac-like. Sac-like bundles inside chloroplasts. Okay. And they're interconnected and arranged in stacks. Okay, grana are... What? I'm assuming it's talking about grana... Grana? Okay, so grana is interconnected and arranged in stacks. We'll put that. Okay. Chlorophyll pigments are located within thylakoid membrane, which absorb light. So, absorb energy. As stated before. The fluid part of the chloroplast, which is the outside of thylakoid, is stroma. Or we could put stroma. Stroma is fluid part of the chloroplast. Alright. Formula is... Now this is why I like to use a drawing tablet. Do I just get the rest of the page? I do. It's awesome. Because I can put 6 of CO2. And I already messed up. My god. CO2 plus 6H2O which we then bring to light energy. Yields glucose and oxygen. Okay. Small intermission. I'm gonna go grab me a snack. I'm back. My apologies. I messed up. Sorry. So this yields sorry, there it goes. 6 carbon, 12H, as well as O6 plus 6O2. And this is the same thing as, I'm just gonna put rearranged, because of the law of conservation of energy. So this is glucose. And this is oxygen. So basically, hang on. Oh, hi, Camille. Okay. Oh, you're not even in the channel. I'm stupid. Okay, so basically happens is the sun's energy is absorbed by electrons. Those electrons carry the energy, which makes ATP, and cause carbon dioxide and water to make glucose and oxygen as a byproduct. Okay, so the reactants are water and CO2. We're studying for, I was gone and I didn't get the notes done. I accidentally clicked my Discord leave note, but, personally, I like my GPA above a 3.7, so that's why I try and study, you know? And also the fact that I didn't get these notes done in class, because I forgot my drawing tablet at home, so. And Matt, we don't want your notes. Okay. Anyways, sorry. Ah! I keep clicking that button. Okay. The products are glucose and oxygen. Hello? Hello? Oh. Okay. There are two types of reactions within chloroplasts. Light dependent, which occur in thylakoid membrane. Was he even in the in the was I just talking? Was I just yapping? Was he even in here? He wasn't in the call. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Uses light energy directly to make ATP. Okay. Can I back up? Yeah, yeah. Right there? Is that okay? I need a super. Oh, I gotta do my ACT lessons still. Oh my god, how is it only 6:40? Emmett, tell me when you're done. You're good? Okay. Okay. So, I'm not even listening to it. I'm listening to different music. Because Lo-fi's best for other types of music. Or for studying music for most people. For me, I just like, you know, music in the back. Yeah. Okay, so. Oh, where was I? occur within the thylakoid. And oxygen is released here, which I'm just gonna put here thylakoid membrane, because that's confusing for no necessary reason. And water is required here to provide electrons and positive hydrogen ions. Okay. Light independent occur in stroma. Which, let's go back real quick, look at stroma for a quick reminder. It is the fluid part of the chloroplast, outside of thylakoid. Okay. The ATP produced in light-dependent reactions is used to make high-energy sugars. From carbon. From CO2. My bad. In the light. Independent reactions. All right, so they take in CO2 here. And release glucose. So I think in these notes we are going to solidify that I was going to solidify that the chemical structure is glucose, but I think glucose is the chemical structure would be a lot better. So instead of putting every time glucose, we're gonna put down, or instead of putting the chemical structure, we're gonna put the chemical structure, but then under it we're gonna put glucose. All right. So what reactants is most responsible for the mass of the tree? Okay. So if we look back, we see that I'm not gonna look back. So what reactant is most responsible for the mass of a tree? We go back. Let's see. So it is. Hang on. Okay, so if we look back, ATP is in light-dependent reactions, is used to make high-energy sugars from carbon dioxide in the liver, and it releases glucose. Okay. Gotta wait 1 second. Alright, Emmett, you there? Bro is taking 10 years to let his dog in. Okay, so he's not here yet, but we're just gonna go ahead because I want to answer the problem. So if what reactant is mostly responsible for the mass of a tree? So if we look at it, alright, so got this little tree here, and it takes in light energy. which in other words is CO2 plus light, or no, light carries CO2 electrons, or light attaches onto CO2 electrons. So, okay, so we have that, and then, so on the part of the equation, the equation that actually mentions light is, it restructures into glucose. So, what reactant would probably be, I would guess, the CO2? I would assume. So our reactants are going to be and our products are glucose and O2. I'll guess the CO2 because, hang on. Oh yes, the CO2 because in the light dependent, I think I'm thinking of this wrong. No, okay, so this part is using the light energy. The light that's attached to the CO2 is used in light independent, I believe. Yes, maybe? I will have to ask her in class. Okay. But yes, and that releases glucose. Glucose is quick energy. Energy equals growth, I believe. So it would have to be the CO2. And this picture would actually work perfectly for the question. And we'll wait for Emmett. Oh, he's back! Okay. Emmett, do you need me to explain this question? You were writing things down. Perfect. Perfect. I'm so happy. No, you are completely fine. I did not want to say that again. Okay. So let's go up and let's answer these first questions. How do organisms store energy? So, not by ATP. No, yes, it is stormed in the form. It is ATP, stored in form of ATP. What cellular structures and molecules are involved in photosynthesis? So, oh, that's great. Glucose plus H2O. No. glucose plus, no, let's just erase that. My bad. It is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O, as well, which makes glucose, as well as 6 oxygen. And then, if we go down here, we can just put the equation down. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. It goes through to light energy, or it goes through light. And after that, it is turned into, oh, I do not remember the cellular structure for glucose. Oh. Carbon plus 6, or carbon 6, H12, and then O6, as well as 6O2. And this is glucose. And this is oxygen. Alright, does that make sense? It does, okay. Is there anything in my notes head? Okay, we're just gonna, that will be at the end of these notes, which we have to go all the way down. Okay, so these are our summary questions. And the reason why we're doing summary questions is for like semester tests, because I am sure that like the end of the year this will be a question on the semester test, as will this, you know what I mean? I don't know. Be sure to check out chapter 9 in the biology book. So this isn't on the teacher's guide, but I'm going to ask her about this, because if there's a biology book I can borrow to study, I will include it in our notes later, but you can cross it out. Okay, every living thing needs energy. Makes sense. And it is needed to grow, reproduce, adapt. Get energy from food, makes sense. Okay, a calorie is the amount of energy needed to raise temperature of 1 gram of water. Water to 1 degree Celsius. Or what does C say? Calorie is equal to amount of energy needed to raise, sorry, I'll put raise, or to raise temp of 1 gram, let me just, gram of water, 1 degree Celsius. Can you not, is it blurry? If you want, I can send you a picture on Snapchat real quick. No, you're good. No, you're good. Okay. Okay. So, or we can think about this as fuel. Think of it as fuel. 1 unit of... Okay. Unit of energy in food. Man, there's a ladybug in my screen. Like, right down here. And, like, I don't know how it got there. But it's in there. And I don't know how it got in there. And it's, like, behind the backlight. Or it's, like, on the backlight, I should say. So I only see the shape, or the shadow of it. Anyways. Calories are how much energy is available in that food. 3. Cells use carbohydrates, fats, and proteins from food for energy. 4. Usually use carbohydrates first because quick energy. We like quick energy. Cells break down food molecules slowly. Capturing small amounts of chemical energy at key stops. At key steps. Sorry, steps. Okay. 6. Enables cells use energy stored in chemical bonds of food like glucose to produce ATP to power cellular activities. We're good with that. Cellular respiration. We're gonna think breathing. But for cells. Alright. Now the formula is 6O2 plus C6 H12 O6, or this is glucose. Two 6 CO2 plus 6H H2O, which is, yeah, so Emmett, you're the only person paying attention right now. I don't think Camille's in the chat. Right and left. So it's only me and you. So, what is this? Simple dumb man terms. What is it? What is this compared to the last one? Yes, it is the formula for cellular respiration. What is it compared to the other equation, which I'm not gonna. Do you need me to redo it? If you do, that's okay. Oh, and also I forgot, plus energy, which is this is ATP. Okay. It's the opposite. It's the opposite of the other one. Except we have this special little thing, ATP. Okay. And I'm just gonna put this in red. That's an amazing start. Opposite of photosynthesis. Because I am sure that is going to be on the test. And it'd be much easier just to think of it as one formula, just opposite, instead of memorizing both formulas. Word formula, I'm gonna cross that out because the way that I have it, we just put it under it. That's the right color, right? Yep. Here we'll put carbon dioxide. I spelled carbox. Water. There. Alright. So, involves a series of controlled reactions that slowly release energy stored in food in mitochondria. Alright. If released too quickly, most would be lost as light and heat. Alright, there's 3 stages of cellular respiration. And aerobic. Aerobic? Yes, aerobic. Let's see how to spell this. Or say this. Usually they have a... Aerobic. Aerobic equals using oxygen. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So the first stage is it will... Oh. I have food. You know what? How much? So here's the deal. We're gonna finish this, and then we're probably gonna stop for tonight. And we'll probably do... like, I don't know, I'm gonna work on my English project. Maybe I'll help you with geometry. No, you got that done with Miss Curtis. Okay. I don't know. One, let's finish this. Actually, okay. One, glycolysis. And that is used to take glucose and break it into 2 pyruvic acids, and it occurs outside the mitochondria in the cytoplasm. Anaerobic means it does not use oxygen. Yes, give me 1 second. See now to correctly spell it. When you're good. Okay. Alright. Number 4. Uses 4 ATP, but uses 2 to get our RxN started. Don't know what that is. So that's 2 APT. Let's Google that real quick. RxN biology. Oh, just reaction. Let's write that down. Alright. And this process is fast and does not require oxygen. And in parentheses, we're going to use our fancy new word. It is anaerobic. Two, Krebs cycle. Alright. If O2 is present, 2 pyruvic acids from glycolysis go into the mitochondria to be broken down further. CO2 is produced at this step as byproduct, and this nets to APT. 3, electron support chain. One, oxygen is used as a step. It's very powerful electron acceptor, so most APT is made in this step. 32 APT. APT is produced. Alright. And water is released as a byproduct. Alright, and it occurs in the mitochondria and uses products from Krebs cycle. Alright, 36 APT total from cellular respiration of 1 molecule of glucose. Alright, photosynthesis and cellular respiration are opposites. I was like, what? All right. Photo removes CO2 from atmosphere and cellular respiration puts it back. Photosynthesis. Photo equals photosynthesis. Photosynthesis releases oxygen into atmosphere, and cellular respiration uses that oxygen to release energy from food. We're gonna quit there. We have just a little bit left. It looks like a lot. And then I am gonna put in a couple extra notes. Because I'm fancy like that. Well, thank you for participating, Emmett. I will... Give me 1 second. Alright. I don't know if anyone from my high school is watching this, but... You literally just have the answers. I'm not judging, but if you fail the test, man, I don't know what you're doing. No, actually though, please use this as a study guide if anyone does watching it. Yeah. I'll be streaming this from YouTube from now on, if you'd like to check it out. Yeah. Thank you for watching if you did watch. I don't know. Yeah.